Hey guys, welcome back! Good news! Pop Mart is finally here in Davao. The Pop Mart Crimean Ocean pop-up splashes its way in our city. Tsaka I'm so happy to join the media preview before ito maging open sa public. Of course, hindi mawawala ang ating favorites na sina Hirono, Crybaby, The Monsters, Dimu, Skull Panda, and more. Halos kumpleto ang mga series na available dito and coming pa ang iba. Last June 4, pumunta sila sa Cebu and now Davao naman. Kaya marami excited na mga Pop Mart fans. So no needed talaga pumunta sa Manila para lang makabili ng favorite natin na mga blind boxes. The Pop Mart Crimean Ocean Pop-Up is open to the public starting July 3 and will be here until September at Abriza Ayala Mall. So kita-kits and let me know in the comment section kung sino ang favorite mong Pop Mart character.